hope you all are doing wonderful. So today I just wanted to do a vlog style type of video. I'm gonna take you guys with me along my day. I have a few things to do today. I have to clean up the house, have to run a few errands. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. It's my husband. Say hello.
What's up?
He's black, I know.
I'm not black.
And there go my son. Say hi. Say hi. Okay. He doesn't want to speak to you guys right now. I'll try him again later. But yeah, so today I'm just going to be taking you guys with me. Today, like I said, I have a few errands to run. I have to clean up this house because it looks a mess. And yeah, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. So I'm in the middle of cleaning up. And my husband just asked me to make breakfast for him. I'm debating on if I'm going to make it or not. Because he can bring his little tail in here and make it himself. He has nothing to say. Okay, I'm going to continue to clean. I'm just working on the kitchen right now. Then I'm probably going to move to the living room, straighten that up, then do the bathroom. My son's room is a mess, so I'm going to handle that.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Let me see. DJ, be here. Thank you. You want back? Thank you. Thank you.
No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
I just got a package. I just got a package. I just got a package. Yeah, I got this. It's for my camera. It's one charger and 2 additional batteries for my camera, so I don't gotta keep. Oh my gosh, I gotta charge this one battery, and then I have to stop filming. I can just swap it out. I'm about to be on the pro YouTube status. You know what I'm saying? All right, back to cleaning.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
So a lot has happened since the last time I had the camera on. I cleaned up a little bit more. I didn't finish cleaning. I took a nap. Me and TJ, my son, we took a nap. I did my toes. Y'all wanna see what those look like? I did my and what else did I do? I ate something. Yeah, I just been pretty much chilling at the house. You actually be on camera, you don't say nothing?
Hi.
He said hi. Yeah, right now we're about to go to the store because I have a few things that I need to pick up. I don't know what else we're gonna be doing, but that's what we're about to do. Alright you guys, so I'm in Walmart. Right now I'm looking for some nails, like some cute nails that I could put on to see how they work. I've never really tried these before, but I got this cute pink color and then this color. I'm all the way in a nail aisle on the other side of the store. I turn around and see him walking all the way down here to the car parts. Those two sections ain't nowhere near each other. That's how I know. What are you looking at? These little car sticker things.
You like these, don't you?
Which?
Want a kiss?
No. Get off my tail. This one I like. Get off my tail. What's in your mouth? I got that. I cannot talk right now. God dang. I actually have a few things on the list that I want to. I gotta make a list, y'all, because I can't remember anything nowadays. I feel like I still got a damn pregnancy brain. It never went away. All I want to do is shower curtain and liner because I threw the other one away. I can't breathe in this damn mask, y'all. This the aisle we on, if y'all was wondering. The car cleaning aisle, the car cleaning supplies. I. Book. I love you.
Alright, go ahead, push it.
I love you.
La 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 la.
Well, that's Dad. Alright you guys, so I think I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog there because I'm tired and I just want to relax for the rest of the day. So I'm just going to show you guys what that bathroom looks like because I did finish that up for the most part. So it still needs a little bit more tidying up, but I cleaned off the sink and everything. I got a new shower curtain from Walmart. I think I showed you guys that I liked. And also cleaned up under here. Still not the best, but if you saw what it looked like before, yeah, it looks a lot better. What are you doing? I did clean up the kitchen, but my husband cooked something and that doesn't look bad, but it needs to be cleaned up. So I'm gonna take care of that again. Kind of straighten up in here, but y'all, it's a lot. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button down below. TJ, you wanna say bye? You wanna say bye? Say bye. Say bye. Bye. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I don't think I said that in this video. Don't forget, if you did enjoy it, to hit the subscribe button. Comment anything you guys want to see from me, anything at all. And I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye. Bye.
later.